This guide will help you install Elden Ring while addressing high ping issues for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your installation and gameplay. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space to avoid performance issues. Step 2. Download the game. Purchase and download Elden Ring from a reliable platform such as Steam or the official Bandai Namco website. Make sure to choose the correct version compatible with your operating system. Step 3. Install the game. Locate the downloaded file and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Choose your preferred installation directory if prompted. Step 4. Optimize network settings. To reduce high ping, adjust your network settings. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Close background applications that use bandwidth, and consider changing your DNS settings to a faster server like Google DNS. Step 5. Launch and configure. Once installed, launch Elden Ring. Go to the settings menu and adjust graphics and network settings for optimal performance. Test your connection in-game to ensure a smoother experience. By following these steps, you should be able to install Elden Ring and minimize high ping issues for better gameplay. Enjoy your adventure in the lands between.